This is a 2011 Kia Optima. The problem we're fixing in this car today is very similar on other cars like the Hyundai Sonata or the Hyundai Elantra and many other Kia and Hyundai models. The problem we're fixing is that these controls for the radio, steering wheel mounted controls for the radio volume and so on, are no longer working. Now all of the other switches and controls are working except for this. So we're going to look at repairing this. And the proper repair we're going to do is just replace this whole unit. This is a replacement unit. It's the original part from Kia. And as you can see here, it has a Hyundai logo on it as well. This is the part number. And you can find cheap replicas of this original part online. I'll include some links if you want to try to purchase them. The first step for doing this is we're going to have to remove or maybe just loosen up this airbag so this gives room to come out. The steering column has 3 holes, and I'm showing you one of them right here, and the other hole is on the opposite side, and the third one is underneath down here. And what you do is you need to take a thin screwdriver like this, put it in the hole, and feel around for a release button. Once you get it, it will pop the airbag out from its retainer. You need to do all 3 retainers. So this is one of those things that you are doing blindly. These are the buttons that you have to push. Okay, you see one of the buttons right there behind the spring. And obviously you can't see it while you're trying to reach it. So you just have to feel around and have faith kind of that you can reach this little button with your screwdriver and push it. The screw that holds this radio control in place is accessible from behind the radio control through here. You'll need an angle screwdriver. And unless you're very, very talented, you're also going to want to just remove the steering wheel in order to do this. And the steering wheel is just held on with a 22mm nut. It comes off pretty easily just by wiggling it after you remove the nut. The Phillips head screw that you need to reach is visible through this hole. And the way that you reach it is you have to get in through from behind the control button right here. You just have to get in through from behind it. I'm going to show you how. You need one of these little angle screwdrivers like this, and you reach in from the back. Okay, like that, and you position it onto the Phillips head screw and you turn it to loosen it. And this is the only way that you can release these radio control buttons. And looking at it from back here, you can see where the screw is, and you can see how I'm reaching in with this angle screwdriver. So we are at the moment of truth. The radio is on, and despite replacing this gizmo here, the volume control is still not working, and neither is any of this other control related to the radio. So we did this all for nothing. But hey, you've seen how to do it if you need to. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, even though it was a pretty useless video. kind of regrettable.